Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix headphones not detected on your INFINIX Note 60. First, what you guys want to do is go over, and if you're using wired headphones, so USB-C in this case, make sure to clean the charging port, which is right at the bottom, because we want to make sure that there's no dust inside of it. As you guys can see, let me put it into more light. There's no sign of any dust or debris or anything that could be stuck inside it. So that's how I know that my USB-C port is clean. Now, what are we going to do next is restart the phone. We're only going to do that because we want to make sure that our phone is restarted and that the system is refreshed. So we're going to press and hold the power button until we see the power menu pop up. As you guys can see, we're going to press restart and tap restart again, and now the phone is turning off. So I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. After the restart, what are we going to do is we're going to simply unlock it, and if you're using an adapter for a 3.5mm jack, make sure that you use a certified one or an original one. It is very important because if you use a broken adapter or a cheap one, it can break down any second and you will have no idea when or what was the reason for it breaking up. What are we going to do is we can test another pair of headphones. So if you have another one of those pairs, you can grab them and see if maybe the issue is not with your phone but with the headphones itself. You can also switch the phones, so you can try the same headphones in a different device to see if maybe the, let's say, the USB-C port is at fault here. Or also, if you use an adapter, then you can also check with another one. Now, what are we going to do as a last resort for wired headphones? We're going to update the software. So we're going to go to settings. Now go to INFINIX Note 60 and click check for updates right up top here. My system is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating. This is very important because you want to make sure that there's the latest version and that you don't have any old bugs that might destroy your connection or just not detect your headphones at all be here. So that's why we want to make sure that we update our software. And now let's switch to the Bluetooth headphones. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to go over and turn the Bluetooth off and on. So here we are at the main page of the settings. We're going to click on Bluetooth, and for me it was already disabled, so I'll turn it on. And now we want to turn it off, turn it on, and this is a quick restart. Now, what are we going to do next is we're going to go over and forget and repair our headphones. So here I have mine. We're going to press on the gear icon and click unpair. Now click unpair again. And I do have the AirPods 3 Pros, so I don't have any button. I just double tap the front of the case to enter the pairing mode. You need to find a way to enter it on your headphones. And as you guys can see, they appeared again because I'm on the pairing mode. We're going to simply click on them, click pair, and they should be connected just like that. Now make sure that you charge your headphones fully, because if they are not charged to 100%, there is a way that they just won't connect for some reason. So make sure to charge them fully. And as a last resort, what you guys can do is scroll all the way down to system. Now go over into reset phone, and here reset Wi-Fi settings. So you will be able to reset the Bluetooth, as you guys can see, but it will also reset all of your Wi-Fi networks and the mobile network. So think about it before you do that. And that's it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching.